use the definition of the logarithmic function to find x. What is the definition? The definition is the defining as an inverse of the exponential function. For instance, if you consider the function y is equal to b to the power x, x is the input, y is the output. If you exchange input and output, you write log y base b is equal to x. Here y is input, x is output. So this one. So that means if you see log equation, you change to exponential function and compute. So A, log x base 2 is 5. Therefore, x is 2 to the power 5. So you can use calculator. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. X is 32. B, 16 is equal to 2 to the power x. X is the exponent. So you try to make the bases on the left and right equal. So it is easy to see that 16 is 2 to the power 4. The base is 2 on the left and right the same. Therefore, exponents are the same. 4 is 8 or 8 is 4. C, 1000 is equal to x to the power 3. X is the base. 3 is the exponent. Try to make the exponent the same. And it is easily seen that 1000 is 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 is x to the power 3. So x is 10. D, 25 is equal to x power 2. This is the same as C. Power 2. Try to make the left hand side power 2. And you easily see that this is 5 square. 8 square is 5 square. Therefore, 5 is x. X is 5. E, 8 is equal to x to the power 3 halves. So, if you don't see clearly, try to factorize the left hand side. 2 to the power 3 is x to the power 3 by 2. Make the exponent the same. So 3 by 2 is 1/2 multiplied by 3. So 3 and 3 the same. Therefore 2 is x to the power 1/2. Therefore you take square both sides. 4 is x. X is 4. G, x is 4 to the power 1/2. This is easily seen that 4 to the power 1/2 is square root of 4. 2. F. Now we have F. 6 is x to the power 1/2 square root. Okay. 6 is square root, so take square both sides. X to the power 1/2 square. So x to the power 1 is x, that is 6. So x is 36. H, 25 is x to the power 2/3. So try to factorize the left hand side. 5 square. Now square and square the same. X to the power 1/3 square this is. Therefore 5 is x to the power 1/3. Take power 3 to both sides. 5 power 3 is x. X power 1/3 to the power 3 is x to the power 1. This is x. 5 to the power 3 is 125. 8 is x to the power -3. So 8 is 2 to the power 3, not negative 3. Plus and minus different. Then what shall we do? You can change exponent to negative value. This is 1/2 to the power negative 3. Now you see that x is equal to 1/2. You must know laws of exponents well. J 1/7 is equal to 49 to the power 8. Make the same base. So 1/7 is exponent. Move 7 up, negative 1. 49 is 7 square to the power 8. This is 7 to the power 2x, 7 to the power negative 1. So the same base, the same exponents. So x is negative 1/2.